हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? सब ठीक हो? ऑल आर फाइन? एंड व्हाट अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स? ऑल आर फाइन, राइट? Yes. So again I came back with my new video on the day of 14th June 2020 and the day is Sunday. So in the previous video you have seen about Swachh Bharat, right? Clean India. So are you doing everything to make your home clean? Yourself clean? Are you doing that? In live session also you told that yes ma'am we are doing. Yes, that's very good. So today I am going to take a topic regarding Vyakaran. See, you got this book, right? Tarang, right? This is a grammar book for you. So from this book I have taken a topic that is Ling. Ling means gender, right? Okay. So in today's video my objective is सही लिंग की पहचान. You should know what is ling and the difference between ling. See, two are there, two genders are there, you know, masculine and feminine, or we can say male, female, boy, girl. From which word we can understand this is boy, this is girl. So that words are called ling or gender. Okay. So today we will learn that and शब्द भंडार में वृद्धि. So Shabd Bhandar mein vriddhi means you will gain some new words with their meaning. So let us start today's video. So first of all I said that there are two types of ling or gender. So in Hindi they are called Pulling and Striling. Pulling, see double L, and Striling. So you have noticed that in your book, in the text, you got some words like ladka, ladki, mata, pita. Okay? इन सब वर्ड को हम लोग लिंग बोलते हैं, जिस वर्ड से हमें पता चलता है कि वो लड़का है या लड़की है. इट्स अ मेल और अ फीमेल. So pulling in English what we call masculine. And striling means feminine. Okay, here I will give you some example, common example that you should know. Okay, so let us take first example. Pulling means male, okay, boy. So if I am saying pita, pita means what? Pita means father. So the gender change of father is, I know everyone knows that. Pita, so father is mother. In Hindi, pita, mata. See, from the word itself you can understand this is male and this is female. So male are called pulling and female words are called striling. Okay, let us take other example. What I wrote here? Bhai. Bhai. Bhai means brother. So what is the gender change of brother? Sister. So in Hindi it's called Bahan. See, this is boy, this is girl. Again I am giving some other words. Like Dada. Dada means you know? Dada means grandfather. Everyone has grandfather. I know that everyone has grandfather. So Dada, and what is grandmother? Dadi. Very good. Okay. Now, this is the common one. Everywhere you are getting this word. What is this? Ladka. Ladka means boy. And answer will be ladki. Ladki means girl. In the second chapter you have seen that the girl was catching all the animals and putting them in the cage, right? Ladki thi na wahan par ek. Yes, so ladki means girl. Okay, then again we will see some more words. Okay, now tell me what I wrote here. See everyone, now you know the matras, so now you can read. What is this? Beta. Who can tell the meaning of beta? Yes, beta means son, and the striling is beti. Beti means daughter. Okay, number 6. Now what is this? See, still now we are discussing about family. In family you are getting chacha. You know what is the meaning of chacha? Chacha means uncle. Your father's brother is called chacha. And so uncle, gender changes aunt. So here chachi. Chacha, chachi. This is paternal uncle, paternal aunt. Okay. So in the same way you have maternal uncle and maternal aunt. That means your mother has brother and his wife is also there. So in Hindi, what they call? In Hindi we are saying mama. Mama means maternal uncle. Okay, mama. In the same way, striling is mommy. See, very easy words. Most of the words you know. Okay, now we will go to other side. Means now we will come out from the family member. Now we will see other words also. This is the easiest one. Everyone can answer. What is this? Raja. See, in second standard you have studied Raja Aya, Raja Aya. So that Raja. So Raja is a boy. That's why he is under pulling. And what is the gender change of Raja? So Raja means king. So queen. In Hindi, queen means Rani. Okay, Raja, Rani. Then now we will see some animals gender. Okay. This is number 9. So this is, what is this? Yes, in Asman Gira you got this animal. What is this? Sher. Sher means lion, and lion is male. So pulling. So what is the answer? Striling? Sherni. Lioness. Okay, let us take other animal. What is this? What I wrote here? More. More means peacock. Very good. So what will be the answer? Morni. So morni means peahen. Okay. So more means peacock and morni means peahen. So match the following is called jode banao. Okay. Or you can say milan karo. That means you have to match. You have to make joda. You have to make here pair. Okay. So this side I am writing all the male and this side female I will write. Okay. And I expect everyone will do the answers by themselves. Okay. First I will write right hand side. So copy down everyone. In rough copy, okay, not in classwork copy. You have to practice it in rough copy. See, one new word also came. I will tell you what is the meaning. Okay. So, what are the words I have written here? First one is Raja. Raja means king. Then Mama. Mama I explained. Then Chuha. Where you got this word Chuha? Yes, in our third chapter, that is Asman Gira. In there you have seen this word Chuha. Chuha means rat. Then this is Ladka, boy. Then Murga. Murga means cock. And this one Beta. Beta means son. So I will write here the answers. You have to match that. See, every answers are here only, but you have to find out that. So I am giving you time to write that. You can pause the video and you can write it. So I am just reading. This is Chuhiya, Murgi, Ladki, Beta, Rani, Mami. So now tell me, Raja, what will be the answer for Raja? You have to make a pair. So Raja, Rani, very good. So you also do with me. Raja, Rani. Then Mama, Mami. Then Chuha, Chuhiya. This one. Okay, Chuha, Chuhiya. Ladka, Ladki. Murga, Murgi. Beta, Beti. Yes, see, very easy. It's not hard, it's very easy. You can do it very easily. Our learning outcome, or we can say this is सीखने का प्रतिफल. Now you know this, okay? सीखने का प्रतिफल. तो आज हमने क्या सीखा? What we have learned today? हमने सही लिंग को पहचाना. So now you are able to find out from the word itself that it's a male or a female. So सही लिंग को पहचानने में सक्षम हुए. And what is our next one? The next learning outcome or सीखने का प्रतिफल is शब्द भंडार में वृद्धि हुई. You got some new words like चूहिया. Yes, that is new for you. Then मुर्गा, मुर्गी. So शब्द भंडार में वृद्धि हुई. So for more example, you can see your grammar book, page number 24. Okay? So in this video, up to here only. Again we will meet. So take care, and stay home, stay safe. Okay? Bye.